Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. I hope you also like the videos that I'm sharing, and please like and subscribe my channel. Now I bought a few banknotes and coins recently as the previous videos that I had shown, and this one is one of them. So we'll see what it is. Right. This one. Oh, just auction something. Oh, it's nicely wrapped as usual. The ones that I am buying this collection is like an antique dealer, so they're really doing a good job. Oh, what's this? Oh, here we go. Oh, what is this? Look. Wow. It's an old coin. And it is a silver coin. King George the Fourth, King George the Fourth, and it's 1826. Wow, King George the Fourth, 1826. It's a silver coin. It's an old coin. Lovely. Wow. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much and have a good day.